Hi guys, welcome back. Right, today we have this carl.f TSL1 is inscribed on the side, I think. TSL01. This is Riks challenge lock. Rick from UK Lock Sport. His name on there is, I don't know how you pronounce it, Tsiolkovsky, you know, one of them ones. Anyway, so we're going to pick this with a, got a homebrew tension wrench from a windshield wiper and a Mimi pick. I'm not going to gut this one, hobby picker picked this one, and I think in this video he showed the pins, so we're just going to pick it just, and if, like I say, if you want to see the pins, check out Hobby Picker's video for the nice pins. Right, nice light tension, feel through. Little thing, pin 1 then. That was 4, 5, 2 maybe. One. Feels like something near the back. There we go. These open. Pretty quick. Let's try that again. Just so, otherwise it's gonna be such a short video. Yeah, that felt like there's spools and stuff in there. If you serrated, maybe. Right. Few sticking up here and there that you can feel like you need to click down. I think that was 4, 5 and 1. Then something back here feels like it needs to go down, and he's open again. There we go. That's twice. Anyway, that was a Rick's first challenge log. Well done, Rick. Thanks again, guys. See you later.